Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is healthy snacks option that you can take easily without any time investment in morning along with your office, school, college and wherever you have to travel. And you can take these snacks either with green tea, milk tea because in Asia no snack is completed without tea. So without any further delay let's get started. First is brown bread toast with peanut butter. And bread toast is without oil, and we all know peanut butter is so healthy rather than butter, biscoff, etc. Peanut butter is an excellent source of protein. Fat in peanut butter is monounsaturated, mean healthy fat. Peanut butter helps in weight loss and prevent heart disease and constipation. This snack option keeps your satiety for long time. You can choose this option when your lunch time is between 3 to 4 pm. Next is my all-time favorite homemade crunch roasted chickpeas. If you want to try, you can check this recipe and the link is in description here. Dark chocolate has antioxidants, lower blood pressure, heart disease risk and protects skin from sun and improve brain function, which is necessary during work and study. And we all know chickpeas are good source of carbs and protein. It control diabetes, blood pressure and lower cholesterol. You can take it alone and along with other fruits and nuts. It depends on your second meal time. Other option is Jaggery Mava tikki. It is so healthy and nutritious. You can check this recipe by clicking on the link in description. You can take it along with some nuts as almonds are good for heart, reduce weight. It also has vitamin E, magnesium. You must include almonds in your diet. Next snacks are dates and handful of nuts. Dates also has antioxidant good for bone, gut and keep your satiety longer. And nuts as well you know better how important is nut. It has beneficial fiber, good for weight loss, prevent from many diseases. Next option is fiber rich fruits and vegetables that you can take from your home. When you want fruits in your snack, option that you can take along with you is banana and apple are good choices. And these two fruits keep your stomach full for longer time. Fig or injeer, you can take it with your fruits. It is loaded with pack of nutrients, vitamins, minerals and fiber that is very healthy and nutritious. Okay, next is when you don't want to take anything from your home. Then you can take protein and oats bar. You can choose low fat, whole wheat and low sugar biscuits and cake with your tea. Last but not least, as yogurt. We all know yogurts are good for our gut and it has probiotics, which is and yogurt you can choose is no added sugar and low fat. But for kids you give flavored yogurt that are very nutritious, sweet and tasty and your kids like it. These are all options. You choose any of them you like within your budget and good rather than samosas, pakoda, chips that are high in calorie. Hope you all like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.